Understanding the phrase, not now, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, not now. This is a common phrase used in English, and understanding its nuances can really help you in everyday conversations. So, let's dive right in and explore what not now really means and how you can use it correctly. Not now is a short phrase made up of two words, not and now. Not is a negation word, used to indicate the opposite of something or to deny something. Now refers to the current moment in time. When combined, not now is generally used to tell someone that the current time is not suitable or convenient for a particular action or event. Example 1. Person A, can you help me with my homework? Person B, not now, I'm busy with my own work. In this example, Person B is indicating that the current time is not convenient for them to help with homework. Example 2. Person A, do you want to go out for coffee? Person B, not now, maybe later? Here, Person B is expressing that they are not available or interested in going out for coffee at the current moment, but they are open to the idea later. Example 3. Person A, is now a good time to talk? Person B, not now, I'm on a call. Person B is communicating that they are currently occupied, and it is not a suitable time to talk. The phrase, not now, can be used in various tones, and its meaning can slightly change depending on how it is said. Polite, not now, please. I'm a bit busy. Frustrated, not now, can't you see I'm occupied? Casual, not now, maybe in a bit. Understanding the tone is crucial as it helps in interpreting the message correctly and responding appropriately. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, not now, in English. Remember, paying attention to the tone and context can really help you understand the nuances of the phrase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.